Hi, I'm Emma.
I'm Lucas.
And we're making bread. First, we need 4 cups of flour.
One and a half teaspoon of yeast.
Teaspoon of salt. Then put 2 and a half cups of water. Then stir it more.
Now stir it more.
Now stir it with a spatula until it's gooey. Then cover it up with plastic wrap and let it rise for 4 hours. While it rises, go play. Hi guys, we're back.
Next we will put the olive oil on the table.
Floor.
On the board, and make sure your head is clean.
Then you put the dough on the board. Cover it up again with plastic wrap for 30 minutes. Next, we're going to put the dough in here and sprinkle the dough with sea salt. We're going to put it in the oven at 450 degrees for 27 minutes and uncovered for 5 minutes. Your bread is ready.
With butter and bon appetit, and eat. Now, right now.